Hello friends, welcome to Knitting and Crochet by Ninu. Today video is about a table runner. It is a table runner which I crochet by double crochet. Stitches used in this runner is double crochet. All pattern is crocheted by double crochet. Nothing is else done, only double crochet. And I have done some stitches. I have done some work on this pattern, so it looks beautiful. So please let us start the video. Before starting video, please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, comment, share. Thanks. Let us start. First we do basic chain. This is a basic chain. First crochet basic chain. Length of this chain you can adjust according to your project. If you are making a table runner for a dining table or you are making a for center table, so adjust length according to that. Now we are going to crochet double crochet. So this is the simple double crochet. We have to take 3 chains and then crochet in a V double crochet, and all row we will be crochet as a double crochet. In every V we have to do 1 DC, 1 double crochet in every V. I have finished my first row with double crochet. Now I am going to start second row. In second row we have to do same double crochet. In all V double crochet. Crochet a double crochet on every crochet. I have finished my pattern by doing DC, by doing double crochet on every crochet. You have to do like this, do double crochet, and this pattern is ready. Now we are going to start our next stitch. Now please see carefully what I have done. I have do it with fly stitch. This is a embroidered by fly stitch, and how I it done I will show you. And I have done it after every 10th row. I have done it after every 10th row. Now I am going to start. See carefully. Insert the needle. We have to take now third crochet. We have done this stitch on 3 crochet. See carefully. Now count 1, 2, 3. Count 1, 2, 3 and insert needle above of the third one. Third crochet, insert the needle and after this now we are going to insert needle third one, again third one. See, third one. This we make a one line. Now we are going to make a cross and we have to again insert the needle third one. Insert the needle again on the third crochet, and now we have left one crochet in the center. Now we have to insert needle there, which is the center one crochet. Center one crochet. Now we have to make a line on this. See, straight line on this. Straight line on the middle of cross. Now we have going to one horizontal line on the middle of cross. See carefully, one horizontal line on the middle of cross, one straight and one horizontal. Now we have finished our fly stitch. I have finished this fly stitch. See carefully. I think you now understand how to we embroidered it. See carefully how I doing next stitch. Next stitch is done in the same way, nothing special. Flying stitch on the next 3 crochet. We have to take 3 crochet for every stitch. See carefully, watch it. If I used many colors in it, you can use according to your choice. Friends, thanks for watching my video. Hopefully you like it. If you like it, then comment and like and share. Bye bye. Take care.